Hello, my name is Susan Kiema, a second year student, Kenyatta University, in the School of Economics. I'm taking a bachelor's degree in Economics and Finance, and also I'm privileged to be part of the executive of Kenyatta University Economics Students Association as the Finance Secretary. KUESA, in partnership with DTE Consultancy, organized a cohort for training of statistical packages such as SPSS, Stata, R, and Python. I would like to invite some of the students that have been taken through the first cohort to share their experiences with you.
Hello, my name is Luis Mila Kafiro, a second year student at Kenyatta University, taking a bachelor's degree in Economics and Statistics. I was privileged to be in the first cohort that undertook the training by DTE. I happened to take Python programming for 4 weeks. I found the program to be most interactive and educative. I'm most grateful to the DTE trainers for their time and personal effort in seeing us through this program. I loved the partnership between DTE and KUESA and would like to urge more students to join this program. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Betty Pett. I am a third year student at Kenyatta University pursuing a Bachelor of Economics and Finance. I was part of the Stata and SPSS program that took place, and what I can say about our trainers is that they were very competent. They took us through the program very well. They ensured that we understood every single part of the program and of the software, and I can confidently say that at this point I have a bit of the skills that I really do need. I would like to appreciate DTE and KUESA organizing such a program, especially to us as campus students. It equips us with the necessary skills in preparation for the corporate world. And I would also like to urge the other students to come and join us for this program. It's such a beautiful experience. Thank you.
I therefore encourage all students who are interested in undertaking these statistical packages to join us so that they may acquire skills that will help them fit in the corporate world.